Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Special Edition 214.5. It was a New Year's cooking competition. It's time for the chef to show her skills. Let's help you wait and see. Don't make the kitchens on fire, Sissy said. Well, it turns out it was a friendly competition. Although I'm a restaurant owner, I am not very good at doing it. Doesn't matter, Muxi, the focus is on participation. Rules of the game, the four of them made their own dishes and covered them, and finally broke the sequence and opened them for the blind evaluation. First place will get a Ketchup Chef trophy. It's all money to eat. 0 points. It really doesn't work. 0 points. Don't understand. It's a kind of cake that is delicious, the fragrant. Negative 0 points. Oh, the sense. It seems to be delicious. Over 1 points, 10 points, 8 points, 6 points. But for Bailijin, it was 0 points. Player number 3. This counts as cooking. 0 points. Aha, 0 points. You feel very interested. 7 points. Please observe. 10 points by Sissy. For the work of last contestant, everyone is 10 points. For Sissy, of course, negative 10 points. Well, she really gets angry. So it turns out Xiaojin is the winner, right? Now, the two of them, Sissy and Xiaojin, too stinky. Well, definitely, they're not really close to each other. Don't be arguing, I've already started eating. Puyi said to her, it tastes really good. Yeah, well, Puyi, she was really glutton. Everyone, together, let's eat it. No, Dove, you don't eat first the cake. Yuxi, you can eat cake. Well, Xiaojin, she was really confident on herself. Through these cooking competitions, I have gained a lot of friendship and Yuxi, the chef's trophy is for you. Bai Lijin is giving her trophy. I'll definitely work hard next time. I think, Muxi, it's delicious. I have eaten it all. You can eat it, Muxi said to her. Sissy, you must know that milk tea is only 10 points for me. No, that's right. You don't dare to look at me anymore. Oh, they're really sweet to each other. And a small preference. Well, everyone seems to be enjoying the day. And it's really a friendly competition. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.